Well, you have to be over 18 and you can't be bankrupt. And usually I would say a professional deputy is of value. A professional deputy is, say, a solicitor, where there's either, say, a large compensation award due to, say, injury, or if somebody simply has a lot of money that needs dealing with, and an application's made to the court, and there's a lot of paperwork. The paperwork will consist of something called a COP1, which is your main application. A COP1A, that is the details of all the income, assets, liabilities, etc. That's quite a long form. Then you have what's called a COP3, and that's a certificate signed by somebody, usually medically qualified, to say that the person is unlikely to have mental capacity to make decisions, particular decisions. Finally, you have a COP4, and that's an undertaking. That's a document signed by the proposed deputy to say they're a fit and proper person. So a lot of paperwork needs to go into the court protection, and rightly so, because they need to make sure that the application is the right application. And once that application's gone in, it can take several weeks, possibly months, to be returned, because obviously you need to wait and see if anyone wants to object to that application. So once it's been issued, you then need to notify various family members and the person themselves that's involved in the application that it's being made, just in case they want to object because they feel it's premature in any way. And notification's interesting because, for instance, I act for a lot of families with children who have been damaged at birth, and quite often I have to notify both parents, as well as usually another close family member. And sometimes families have been through so much that their marriage breaks up and they split, and I still need to notify the parent who's moved away, and that can cause some concern, but it is simply just notifying them for the application and not necessarily the figures involved.